Welcome to the Aging Parent Playbook, the podcast that empowers adult children of aging parents to navigate the complexities of caregiving, family dynamics, and senior care with confidence. I'm Dr. Barbara Sparacino, a triple board certified psychiatrist and coach, here to guide you through real-world strategies and expert advice to help your loved ones age with dignity while protecting your own well-being. Whether you're new to caregiving or have been at it for years, this playbook is for you. Let's dive in to today's episode. Hello, and welcome back to the Aging Parent Playbook. I'm your host, Dr. Barbara Sparacino. Today, we're diving into a topic that can feel daunting for many adult children: having the talk with your aging parent. You know, those conversations that involve health, finances, and future planning. They can be uncomfortable, but they are absolutely essential. Today, I'll share tips for initiating these tough conversations with compassion and understanding. Whether you're addressing health concerns, financial matters, or long-term care plans, this episode will equip you with the tools to approach these discussions with confidence. Let's start by discussing why these conversations matter. As our parents age, we often face significant changes in their health and financial situations. While these discussions can be difficult, they're crucial for several reasons. First, empowerment. Having these conversations empowers your parent to express their wishes and make informed decisions about their future. Second, prevention of crises. Discussing potential health issues or financial concerns in advance can prevent a crisis later on, reducing stress for both you and your parent. And strengthening relationships. Approaching these topics with empathy and understanding can strengthen your relationship as it fosters open communication and trust. Now that we understand the importance of these conversations, let's explore how to initiate them. Before diving into the discussion, preparation is key. Here are some steps to consider. Choose the right time and place. Find a quiet, comfortable setting where you can talk without distractions. Timing is also essential. Try to choose a moment when both of you are relaxed and open to discussion. Reflect on your goals. Think about what you want to achieve from the conversation. Are you looking to understand their health wishes, discuss financial planning, or explore care options? Having clear objectives can help guide the discussion. Educate yourself. Familiarize yourself with the topics you plan to discuss. Whether it's understanding health options or financial resources, being knowledgeable will help you communicate effectively and answer questions. Be compassionate. Acknowledge that these topics can be sensitive and emotional. Approach the conversation with empathy and be prepared for a range of emotions from your parent. Now, let's get into how to actually start the conversation. Here are some tips for initiating the discussion. Open with a warm, personal touch. Begin by expressing your love and concern for your parent. You might say something like, "I want to talk about something because I care about you and your future." This sets a positive tone for the conversation. Use open-ended questions. Instead of jumping straight into heavy topics, start with open-ended questions to gauge their thoughts. For example, you could ask, "How do you feel about your current health and well-being?" This encourages them to share their feelings and opens the door for deeper discussion. Be honest and direct. Once you've established a comfortable atmosphere, it's okay to be honest and direct. You might say, "I think it's important for us to discuss your health and any plans you might have for the future." Normalize the conversation. Let them know that discussing these topics is part of normal aging. You could say, "Many families face these discussions, and it's important for us to be prepared together." This can help reduce anxiety around the topic. Let's break down some specific areas you may want to discuss: health, finances, and future planning. Health discussions. When discussing health, focus on understanding your parents' wishes and preferences. Here are some points to consider. Ask about their current health status and any concerns they might have. Talk about the importance of regular medical checkups and screenings. Discuss advanced directives such as living will or health proxy and why they matter. Financial conversations. Next, let's address finances. This can be a particularly sensitive topic, but it's crucial for ensuring your parents' security. Begin by asking how they feel about their current financial situation. This could lead to a discussion about budgeting, expenses, and any concerns they might have. Talk about the importance of having an estate plan in place, including wills and power of attorney. Future planning. And finally, let's talk about future planning. This encompasses long-term care options and living arrangements. Discuss their preferences for aging in place versus moving to an assisted living facility. Explore the possibility of in-home care and what that might look like. But also remember, don't make promises you might not be able to keep. These are just discussions to help explore the options available. Listening is just as important as talking in these conversations. Here are some tips for effective listening. Give them your full attention. Put away distractions and focus entirely on your parent. Show them that you value what they're saying. Acknowledge their feelings. Recognize their emotions and validate their concerns. You might say, I understand that this is a tough topic to discuss, and it's okay to feel that way. Be patient. Give them time to process the information and respond. Some conversations may take time to unfold, and that's perfectly okay. These conversations don't have to occur all in one sitting. After you finish your discussion, remember that this is just the beginning. Here are some ways to continue the conversation. Schedule follow-up discussions. Plan to revisit these topics regularly. This normalizes the conversation and keeps communication open. Provide resources. Offer resources or articles on topics you discuss to help your parent feel more informed and empowered. Encourage questions. Let them know it's okay to ask questions or express concerns at any time. This helps create a safe space for ongoing dialogue. As we wrap up today's episode, remember that having the talk with your parent is a vital part of the caregiving journey. Approach these conversations with compassion and understanding, and empower your parent to share their wishes and concerns with open communication. You can strengthen your relationship and ensure their needs are met as they age. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of the Aging Parent Playbook. I hope you found the information useful and empowering. If you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to subscribe, rate, and review wherever you listen to podcasts. And don't forget to share it with someone who could benefit from this playbook too. For more tips, resources, and details about my coaching program, The Aging Parent Plan, visit my website at theagingparentcoach.com. Until next time, remember, you don't have to navigate this journey alone. We're in this together. The content shared on the Aging Parent Playbook is for informational and educational purposes only. It is not intended to be a substitute for professional medical, legal, or financial advice. Always consult with a qualified professional regarding your specific situation. Listening to this podcast does not establish a doctor-patient relationship. Any opinions shared are my own and do not reflect those of any organization I'm affiliated with.